besties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name's Nikki, and today we're gonna be doing my everyday makeup routine. I kind of already did my brows because I've been up for a while now, but the product that I use for my brows is the Brow Styler by Beauty Cosmetics Makeup Revolution IRL Filter Finish Concealer. This is in the shade C4. It is a soft matte concealer, and I actually like to use that as kind of like a eyeshadow primer. And taking my Real Techniques concealer brush, I will just go ahead and blend it all out all over my eyelid. For my eyeshadows, I do like to keep it pretty simple, so today we're going to be using the Colourpop's Blush Crush palette. It has a beautiful shades of pink. We're going to take this color Made You Blush, and I just like to put that kind of all over my eyelid. I'm just going to take a smaller brush and I'm going to go in with the color Cheek to Cheek. And we're just going to put that right into my crease to darken it just a little bit. And then lastly, I'm going to take this shimmery pink color, I think it is called, and then I'm just going to put that right on top of my eyelid. I have been loving this water resistant felt tip eyeliner. You guys know when it comes to eyeliner, I love using felt tip because it is easy, I have more control, and then it also gives you that fine point for that sharp wing. Make just a small wing, and what I like to do is I like to line it up with my brow. And then what I will do specifically just for my eye shape, I'll just kind of bring it in and thin it because I don't like having that like harsh like eyeliner line. And then I'll just take a gel liner in black from Colourpop, tight line. So this is what my eyes look like so far. For my everyday makeup, I don't like to use falsies. I remember back then I couldn't even go a day without wearing falsies, but now I've learned to really embrace my natural eyelashes, and I've learned how to curl them correctly, as well as eyelash serum. Eyelash serum has been a game changer, you guys. The eyelash curler that I use is from Rom&nd. I just bought this and I love it. It is specifically made for Asian lashes, so it is more like flat than curved. Give it a few pumps. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Rom&nd Mascara 101 Long Black. And I like to just go ahead and apply one layer. I have to have waterproof mascara or else my curl does not stay put. So waterproof mascara is a huge must. Curl my other side, the exact same thing that I did on this eye. I don't wear foundation when it comes to my everyday makeup, so the primer that I'm going to be using is the Bubble Tea primer from Lottie. This stuff is very hydrating and it really grips your makeup, but I like to just kind of put it where I'm going to put my concealer, just so my concealer stays put all day. And again, this stuff is like really moisturizing and my concealer does not crease. And I also love how it's pink. For concealer, we're using Lancome's Tient Idole All Over Concealer in the shade Buff, Cool 2220. I am trying something new out. I actually put this concealer in the freezer because I saw it on TikTok and I really wanted to try it. I don't really have like really bad like puffy eyes, but again, just wanted to try it for the trend. Ooh, that is cold on my skin. And then I just like to blend it out with a beauty blender. I love this concealer because it does not crease, it's super hydrating, it stays all day, it is buildable, but it is full coverage, and the shade match is just perfect. We're gonna ignore my little dry patch right there. When it's like summertime, I get like really bad allergies, and then like I rub my eyes and then they get like super dry. And then I like to go in with a blush. I got this guy off of Temu and it's supposed to be a dupe for the Rare Beauty, but I just like how it's like pink and it's a really good like everyday wear blush. This is gonna be a little bit weird, but I am using a e.l.f. highlight brush for my blush. I've been using this brush for years and I just like the way that it looks and how easy it is to blend out with this brush. For powder, we're going to be using the Rimmel Stay Matte in the shade Creamy Natural. I've been using this stuff since high school. I absolutely love it and it's super affordable too. But I like to do this as a base first before I go ahead and bake. It also keeps my face matte all day, which is nice because I have oily to combination skin. And then my all-time favorite powder is the Beauty Bakerie's Flower in the shade Out. This is literally the only powder that I use. Tap it onto my powder puff, and then I like to go ahead and pat it onto the back of my hand so that way I have a smooth canvas. On top of my blush that I already put, I like to do a powder one. This is a dupe of the NARS, and I got this off of Temu too. Apply it where I put my liquid blush. Going back to my eyelashes, I'm going to take a eyelash comb and I like to just like brush it through so that way they don't look as spidery. Either way, they're going to look a little spidery, but we do our best. And then I'm going to go in with one more coat, and this is the L'Oreal Telescopic Waterproof Mascara. And this is really just going to add some length and help separate my lashes even more. I don't know why my eyes are watery right now. That's like the worst. I'm hoping I don't cry because it's gonna ruin my powder. I don't like to wear lipstick or anything like that. We're gonna be using Sheglam's lip gloss in the shade Flamingo. And then to set all of my makeup, I like to use a setting spray. This is Colourpop's Pretty Fresh and it has hyaluronic acid in it. I think we're done, besties. So as far as my everyday makeup goes, I like to keep it simple and easy. What do we think? I know all my social medias, some of you guys have been wanting my everyday updated makeup routine, and this is it, and I hope it did help. Thank you so much for watching, besties. I can't believe we're already up to 3 videos and we're almost at 1,000 subscribers. That's literally insane. If you guys have any suggestions as far as what other videos you would like to see on my account, let me know and comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!